Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to create simple bar chart in Excel. So first of all, we will select the data consisting of name and sales. So first select this column name, and then by control button select other column which is sales. Then go in insert tab, and here you can see column chart. So select the column chart. Here you can see simple bar chart is created. Now if you want to show the values on this, right click on this, and here you can see add data labels. Click on this and you can see the values are added to this bar. So this is how you can create simple bar chart in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.